have this package here from Matador. I won the giveaway that they hosted, and I'm here to open it because I've been putting this off, like, another little box. Let's see in here. I'm wearing the Unbound Merino thing that came with the, how do you call it? Came with the giveaway. And I've been using the merino wool products really, like, frequent. By the way, this is my dream backpack. Oh my god. Oh shit. What does it say? Okay. We got packing cube. I love this color. And the fucking main event, y'all. Oh my god, she is fucking heavy. This is 1.5 kilograms empty. She's fucking heavy. Whoa. It's insane. Here it is. Matador. Can I open it? I open it. Oh, it's plastic. Ta-da! Let's do a quick first impression. I don't know if I'm like still in focus, but wow. I don't have a white bag. I was debating whether to get the one that looks like this color or, you know, this. Wow, it's crazy. Like, by the way, I know I said in one of my videos that I want to like do a review about the Cotopaxi Alpha 28, and I'm not doing it, but it's coming soon, okay? This is like my dream backpack because everything that I wanted in the Cotopaxi was not there, like the features. And right off the bat, I'm gonna say this: I love clamshell style travel backpacks, but I 100% will not take away the top axis of backpacks, and this is like the one that you can literally just like take out things from the top, and that's really important for me. Like, I think the experience with the Cotopaxi Alpha made me like really have a hard time loving it, because every time you want to access something in the body that is not in the easy access, you have to open it like like clamshell style. Open it like this, like, you know, always on the ground. And then there's like 2 different zippers inside the Cotopaxi, and like, anyway, it's just too much fucking like digging around. And this is like slightly larger. I mean, this is like what, 7 liter larger than the Alpha 28. I freaking love this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. First impression, like, this color of the stretchy fabric in the front is not the same as like the other parts of the body. Like slightly off. I actually want to dye this with the Ritz synthetic dye, but I feel like it's not gonna work because it is treated to be waterproof. But yeah, there you guys go. That's my, this is not a good first impression video, but I will do an in-depth, you know. I want to bring this to a canoe camping trip, or a camping trip, you know, just to see if it's gonna hold up. But yeah, that's my new backpack. Thank you again, Matador. You guys are the best. guys know I always shout out their product that I really like. Sorry, that's not the ending. We still have this thing, but I already know I'm gonna like this. The blue and white. Anyway, that's it.